Since November 21, 2022, our system ranks Vision Ltd as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.013. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 164.21% since we first told you to buy Vision Ltd 52 days ago. This is an average return of 3.16% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Vision Ltd, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for Vision Ltd stock price on Monday moving between $1.67 and $2.30. The Vision Ltd stock price fell by -13.95% on the last day, Monday, February 6, 2023, from $2.15 to $1.85. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 37.72% from a day low at $1.67 to a day high of $2.30. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.35 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $3.14, and the lowest price was $0.400. Right now the price is 41.08%, or $1.29, below 52-week high at $3.14, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 111.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 58.97% and 147.61%. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, May 2, 2022, Aegis Capital set price target to 7. The following signals have been found for Vision Ltd. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 3, 2023, and so far it has fallen -13.95%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. The Vision Ltd stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.69 and $1.42. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 130 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Vision Ltd. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.56 and $1.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Vision Ltd finds support just below today's level at $1.56. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.51 and $1.47. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.630 between high and low, or 37.72%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 28.48%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Vision Ltd. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Vision Ltd. currently has a price-earning ratio of -1.90. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Vision Ltd. meets first resistance at $2. If you do not hold Vision Ltd. shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Vision Ltd. finds first level of support at $1.56, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $1.76, minus 4.90%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Vision Ltd. stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Vision Ltd. stock to perform well in the short term. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 7th, we expect Vision Ltd. to open up $0.0900 and start trading at $1.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to